Hey, it's Mr. White.
It's Mr. Anderson.
We're going to show you some hand regression measurements in the hand. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to Insert,
Okay.
Gel Analysis, Take a Photo, Take Photo.
Okay.
And you're going to see Mr. Anderson pop up on the screen here. And Mr. Anderson's going to put his hand up to the screen. Go a little closer.
Talk to the hand, everybody.
What? Are you serious? Go closer, closer, closer.
It's closer to the hair?
Yeah,
It's looking good?
A little bit higher. I need to see your palm. All right, there, that's good. Okay, so what we need here is a constant. This is necessary. You have to have a constant, the exact same constant in every photo. And the reason for that is the pen looks bigger when I get closer, and it looks smaller when I get further away. So just the consistency in the photos, the pen needs to be there. So I'll put it right next to his hand, put it in the same spot every time. It's actually touching his hand. Okay, there we go. So
Okay.
we do first, let's stretch it out so we can get a little bit more accurate. And set the axes. Just click this button right here and we can move around. We don't actually need the axis, but it's just part of the process. You have to do it. And then select the Set Scale button and go to the bottom of the pen. Hold it down, don't let go, and go up to the top, and that's 17 centimeters. Alright, now that's set. Now what we want to do is we're going to measure, we want the distance from the palm, get as accurate as you can, hold it down, all the way to the top of the, see, look at that, middle finger is a little bit off the screen.
Okay, so next time we keep that in the screen.
Keep that in the screen. Okay, so that's 21.64 centimeters. And now what we want to do is, we can measure whatever we want. Let's just do the, let's do the index finger. How about that?
Sure.
So hold it down, measure, try and get into where the little wrinkles are and stuff like that. Alright, how's that? Is that pretty accurate?
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks good. Okay, so now, helpful is to go to Page Auto Arrange. And auto arrange all the windows so it looks sort of nice. Now what we want to do is we're going to click on X, and it says what the name of it is. So let's make this the hand, and the short is just H, hand. And the units are centimeters. And then click on the Y. We'll say this is finger. Call it F, and that's centimeters as well. And then the hand is 21.64 and 9.260.
Okay.
And push enter. And you can see that the dots over here, if you click auto scale right there, it'll put it right in the center. The other thing you want to do is right click on the graph. Make sure that's highlighted, all these dots, all these blocks around it. Right click on the graph options and put on, make sure it's on point protectors and it's off on connect points. I think the default is the other way around. Yours will look like this. You need it to look like that. So the points aren't connected when you add in several of them, and they're bigger. The points without this is, the points are a lot bigger, or smaller. Okay, so there's your point. You're going to do that 12 times. And there's your assignment, and stay tuned to the next video. We'll go on to the next part, which is finding the line.